Hi everyone, here we've got Listo SP50 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's find the option sound. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see here, we've got a whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls, and here we've got two different options because they are divided between two different SIM cards, but also we can change it for notifications or alarms. Let me show it to you how to do it using, for example, the ringtone for calls. Let me tap on it, and as you can see, immediately we've got the list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very bottom of it, we've got the option add ringtone, so after tapping on it, we will be transferred to our own files, and if you will have any compatible ones, for example downloaded, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. What's more, at the very top you've got the option none, so after choosing it, your device won't notify you about any incoming call which will be on the SIM card. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to listen to it and decide if you like it or if you do not. So if you're happy with your choice, just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. Obviously it will work the same with the second SIM card, notifications and alarms. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Listo SP50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.